Hello and welcome to a new video. Today we have a smart gadget that's a must-have item for your house security. It's a smart door lock. Product name is Proscenic Smart Lock L60. Special thanks goes to Proscenic for sending us this smart lock system. So many special features in just a security product, such as multiple unlocking methods, automatic locking, long battery life, waterproof design, and very easy installation. You can unlock door in 6 different ways, including fingerprint, password, physical keys, mobile app, smart NFC card, and voice control with Google Alexa or Siri. This smart lock is IP65 waterproof and it has 1 year of warranty. Okay, so we will talk in details about this smart lock in later part of the video, but now let's unbox it first. This is the box packaging. We are going to unbox it right now. The very first thing we will get are some papers. Here are the warranty paper, then a user manual which contains all the details about the product, a cardboard paper which helps to drill properly on the door. Okay, next item we get from the box is a 4 AA size batteries. Then we get a long screwdriver. Then we get the smart locks outside unit. After that we get the inside unit where you can put the 4 batteries. Next we get a locking mechanism and 2 physical keys. Then we get some screws. Then we get 2 smart cards. Those also act as physical keys. So here are all the package contents: physical keys, smart lock, screws, screwdriver, smart door opening card, 4 batteries, user manual, and warranty card. Now we will install this smart lock on our house door and then we will see how it performs. First we will remove the old lock from the door by removing all of its screws, and then we will install the locking mechanism first, and then we will add the outer unit. When the outer unit or outside unit has been installed on the door, then we will install the inner unit where the battery storage section is being held. We will put all the 4 batteries in it and then install it on the door. We will connect wires to specific points. These installation procedures are easy and anyone can do them. Now here are the power button that activates the smart lock. You can turn off or turn on the lock by pressing the button. Proscenic has a mobile app that lets you control and monitor this smart lock very conveniently. When you connect this lock to the mobile app, you can add a passcode for unlocking the door lock. Then you can add multiple fingerprints of multiple persons who will be entering into the house very often. That's very easy process here. You get the passcode unlock system, fingerprint unlocking system. Also, you can open the door from the mobile app. The passcode system and the fingerprint unlocking system works very smoothly. There was no noticeable delay in unlocking the smart lock. Every time someone unlocks the door, you get a notification in your mobile app. This app tells you who opened the door and when, and every locking or unlocking events are being saved here, so you can get the full database anytime. There is a auto lock feature in the mobile app. This feature will automatically lock the door after every unlocking events. Alright, so this Proscenic Smart Lock L60 offers multiple unlocking methods, providing users with flexibility and convenience. This ensures that users can choose the comfortable method that suits them best. This lock has automatic locking feature and long battery life that makes it convenient and reliable for everyday use. So users don't have to worry about manually locking the door or frequently changing batteries. The fast installation process makes it very easy for users to set up the lock by themselves without the need of professional supports. The mobile app interface is user-friendly, allowing users to easily set up and manage the locks function. You can easily monitor who is entering your house and when. Every data will show up as pop-up notification. One interesting use case scenario is that the lock's ability to store up to 100 passcodes that makes it ideal for use in various scenarios such as offices and Airbnb rentals where multiple users may need access. Anyway, so these are all about the ProScenic Smart Lock L60. If you wish to increase the security of your household or office, then you must grab this item before it stocks out. There is a buying link in the description section. Hope it will help you furthermore. So that's it for today. Hope to see you soon with some new videos. Till then, take care. Bye.